If you're in Palm Beach County, Florida, the best hospital, I believe, for you to take your child is Palm Beach Children's Hospital at St. Mary's Medical Center. Stay tuned to find out why. Hey you, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela and I'm a beauty lifestyle blogger who's been doing this for about 8 or 9 years. I've been on the Today Show twice, Oprah Magazine twice, the New York Times twice, USA Today. I've done so much stuff, I can't even list it all. So I am legit, and most importantly, I am a mom. So I've been blogging this long, but I've been a mom for 2.5 years now, and my life dramatically changed whenever I became a mother. My priorities shifted, and my child, Cameron, became my world. One of my biggest purposes is to make sure that he is well cared for. I'm so grateful to Palm Beach Children's Hospital at St. Mary's Medical Center because when Cam was a tiny baby of 10 weeks old, we had to stay overnight because he had to have double hernia removal surgery. The best quality care you can imagine was given to us, and ever since then I have been so tremendously grateful that we have this amazing resource in our own backyard. If you're like me and you're in South Florida and you're looking for the place to take your child for pretty much anything, that is the hospital that I recommend. I had the privilege of interviewing Dr. Avraham Schlager, who is one of the physicians on staff there, and he gave me such great background info as to why this medical center is so premier. We already know it as the place where you take the sickest children, but now it's becoming so specialized. It's pretty much where you can take your child for anything, not just for the sickest of the sick. There are all kinds of professional experts there who are the best in the world in their field. It's truly a tremendous resource for mothers like me to have a place like this where we can take our children that's so accessible, and a place where we can know that we're given the best quality care. If you'd like more information about St. Mary's Medical Center, check out the description box below. I will have the website. Thank you so much for St. Mary's for sponsoring this video so I can use my platform to better tell other mothers why this is the best place to go. So let's dive right into the interview with Dr. Schlager, and you can hear directly from him why it's the best.
I'm incredibly proud to join the group here at Palm Beach Children's Hospital, which is part of the greater St. Mary's Hospital. St. Mary's has been known in the county for a long time, a lot of the time because of their incredible trauma services, but they're a full 360 adult care facility. The sickest pediatric patients throughout the county had always been transported to St. Mary's, which is now Palm Beach Children's Hospital. But since that time, they've really built on this ability to take care of really sick patients to really the ability to take care of all pediatric patients. Now I think Palm Beach Children's has over 30 pediatric specialists. So I'm incredibly proud to join a group of really pediatric focused practitioners who really want to establish Palm Beach Children's as the premier pediatric hospital in the county and build on this infrastructure that the hospital's already done such an incredible job of putting together. One of the things that our surgical group offers, which isn't always readily available to everyone, is a real focus on minimally invasive. Now there's a lot of different ideas of what minimally invasive is, but it really isn't just one technique. It's a generalized approach to how we care about pediatric patients. The most simple idea of it is that we do laparoscopic surgery, which means that surgery through these small incisions and camera, and using the camera and the angles to really minimize the size of the incisions and the location of the incisions. But that really is just sort of the most obvious part. The real part that most people who are really dedicated to minimally invasive surgery do now is that it actually starts with the initial office visit. You really try to be as minimally invasive as possible in the exam you perform, in the testing that's done, and any procedures that you're doing in the office as well, because you're trying to make this the least possible traumatic experience as possible. You really want it to be a positive experience so the children develop a relationship and really feel like they can trust their doctors. And so it's something that you invest in the first appointment to deliver excellent care over time. I think what you get at Palm Beach Children's that makes us stand out is that you don't come and see one physician. What you see is a pediatric service. And so when you come to see one of us, you're already getting the full level of coordination of care for whatever issue it is and whoever else may be able to help to guide you through that issue. What Palm Beach Children's has become a full 360 degree of care, from the personal to the technical to the follow-up to the convenience. I think Palm Beach Children's has really decided that they want to provide for all aspects of the care of the pediatric patients.
Thank you, Dr. Schlager, for letting me interview you, and thank you for tuning in for this video. If you want more information, check out the description box below. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.